In this video, I'll show you how to set up Afterpay on Cash App quickly and easily. First, open the Cash App on your phone and make sure you're logged in to the correct account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the Activity tab. This section shows all of your recent transactions, including any payments you've made or received. Now, from the list of transactions, scroll until you find the Afterpay purchase you want to make a payment for. Tap on it to open the transaction details. Inside the transaction, you'll see a clear breakdown of your payment information, including how much you owe and the due date. Look for the Pay button and tap on it. Next, Cash App will ask you to select how much you want to pay. You can either enter the full payment amount or choose a smaller amount, depending on what you'd like to pay at that moment. Once you've entered the desired amount, tap Done to continue. Before proceeding, make sure that you have enough funds available in your Cash App balance to complete the payment successfully. Once you confirm, your payment will be processed instantly and sent to Afterpay. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation message on your screen showing that the payment went through. You can always return to your Activity tab to double-check the transaction and make sure everything looks correct. And that's it! You've now successfully made an Afterpay payment using your Cash App account.